In this video, I will show you how you can hide your photos on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, just open the Photos app, and just tap on Select and select the photos and videos which you want to hide. For example, I'll select these photos and videos. Now after you've selected the photos and videos which you want to hide, then just tap on the three dots over here and select Hide. Then tap on Hide Items. Now after you do that, the selected photos and videos will be hidden from the Photos app. Now to find the hidden photos and videos, just tap on Collections at the bottom of the screen. Now in the Collection section, just scroll down. And under Utilities, you will find the option for Hidden. Now just tap on the Hidden folder. And over here, you will find all the hidden photos and videos of your iPhone. Now if you want to lock this folder, just set a lock screen passcode on your iPhone. And this folder will be locked. Now if you want to unhide some photos and videos from your iPhone, then just tap on Select and select the photos and videos which you want to unhide. Then tap on the three dots over here and select Unhide. And after you do that, the selected photos and videos will be removed from the hidden folder. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.